folks. Good to see you both.
You too. Enjoy the rest of your day.
Ever freeze when someone puts you on the spot? Let's fix that, improv style. Today's game is called Name 6, and it turns pressure into play in seconds.
Here's how it works. Someone gives you a category, like types of cheese or reasons your Wi-Fi hates you. You've got 5 seconds to name 6 things. If you hesitate or repeat, you reset. Simple, right? Until your brain forgets what cheese even is.
Now, don't get me wrong. Online improv kept a lot of us connected when we needed it most. You can share ideas, you can laugh, you can even surprise each other through a screen. But what you can't fully share is that live spark, the physicality, the shared breath, the ripple of laughter that moves through a room. That's why I always say improv lives best in person. So if you got a local theater, class, or even a community center, like the one we started this video with, show up, play, feel that real-time energy. That's where the magic happens. All right, enough philosophy. Back to today's game. Okay, Jeff 2.0. Name 6 breakfast foods.
Eggs, pancakes, toast, waffles, bacon, espresso.
Allow it. The goal isn't perfection, it's presence. You can't plan ahead. You have to stay right here, right now.
This game rewires your reflexes. Instead of freezing, you respond. Instead of judging, you play. That's the yes and mindset. Confidence through chaos. Try it with friends or your team, anywhere you need quicker thinking and lighter energy. And remember, if you blank out halfway through, just name 6 excuses.
I'm Jeff McNabb, and this is Unscripted Genius Improv. Because whether you're naming 6 things or taking 6 chances, the real magic happens when we get together. Sure, virtual improv can work, but nothing beats the energy of being in the same room. So find your local theater or community center, show up, and help your community grow.